Ready to unlock awesome student perks and stress-free banking with Lloyds Bank? This guide breaks down exactly how to open a Lloyds student account, step by step, making the process super easy. First, let's see if you qualify. You'll generally need to be 17 or older, living in the UK, and enrolled in a full-time course that lasts for at least 2 years, or a 1-year course that leads to a degree. Next, head over to the Lloyds Bank website and navigate to their student account page. Look for details on the benefits, like interest-free overdrafts, and any SIGMAP incentives they might be offering. Now, it's application time. You can apply online or in branch. The online application is usually the quickest. You'll need to provide personal information like your address, date of birth, and details about your course, including the university name and start date. You'll also need to provide proof of your student status. This could be a university acceptance letter, your student ID card, or a UCAS letter. Have a digital copy ready to upload if you're applying online. Finally, you will need proof of identity, which is usually a passport or driving license. Once your application is approved, Lloyds will send you your account details and debit card. Now you're ready to manage your student finances like a pro.